Well, I'm Herman Sisk, and I'm an owner of Sisk Grading Company. And that's been 61 years ago. And my birthday would be I'll be around the 80 years, so I'm still going pretty strong and still doing what I want to do. The company itself, I said, if I'm going to work in grading business, I got to have something to work with. I thought about them GPS machines. Then I went and built a big job, a golf course, and I bought some Komatsu at that time because they would do the job that the other machine would not do for me. We bought it, brought it home, and put it to work almost immediately. Started working with the golf course down there, and I got the Komatsus in there, and they took me and helped me to get across that swamp, and it was done. They was tickled to death, the golf course was. And these 61s, ones that's doing the digging and the pipe laying and all that, they were so fast. We made 360,000 yards of dirt at a horse farm, and them dozers come right by and they just laid it out. It was ready for the concrete. That just blew my mind. It made my job so much hectic. It's just simple. And all the guys loved them. They loved them. And all of them learned to run them. So I was tickled with that.
I just started out with Herman and Johnny, and we were buying and selling some equipment and doing this, and 35 years later, here we are. From about 5 pieces of equipment to maybe, I don't know, 40. We started with residential. We do a lot of mountain subdivision, roads and that sort of thing, and then commercial work. The project we're on today is a 600,000 square foot warehouse, and we're doing the mass earthwork and the storm drain and the erosion control. The GPS machines has revolutionized everything we do. We've got a 360 LC intelligent machine that's digging our trench, and then we have a PC 210 that's following up with the roller bucket. We've got the PC 300 that we just had refurbished through Linder, and we're doing some backfill with that. Once we bring it up to a certain level, then we're taking a D61 and bringing in the rest of the backfill. Initially, we were looking about buying another intelligent dozer, and we just realized that we could buy the intelligent hoe and basically eliminate the need for that other intelligent machine. We could be putting pads on grade as we dig them out. We can be putting pipe on grade as we're laying it. So it's pretty much revolutionized the way we work these days. They were just kind of the pinnacle of what we feel like some of the best machines, excavators that's on the market out there. The D61 is our do-everything dozer pretty much. They're durable, and our operators really like the way they run and operate. They have good support, and they're great machines. Visibility, they excelled at visibility long before a lot of the competition did. So a lot of their machines, that's one of the things that helps early on sell us on Komatsu is just good visibility. There's no comparison. Going back to doing things we previously would be unbearable almost right now. Its productivity is much improved.